Now, AMC had a relatively volatile day today. It opened up, it was trading around $16 per share, went all the way down to about $14.60 before finally closing around $14.90, just below $15. And in this type of action, it turns a lot of investors off, but the traders absolutely love it. This volatility is going to attract day traders, and therefore it could attract volume, and that volume, I know you guys love volume, right? That volume could drive the stock price higher. Personally, I like lower volume, but that's a different story. We'll talk about that later. I want to talk about the fact that we've got new eyes coming into AMC. And as a matter of fact, with rising search volume on AMC stock, we're getting to levels, if we break out, okay, we're getting to levels that we haven't seen since September of 2021, when the price of AMC was back around $47, $48 per share. This is big news because if we have more eyes coming back onto AMC, we could absolutely get an increase in price. So let's talk about this, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit gets you at least 3 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys do want a crypto exclusive exchange, you got Crypto.com, Binance, and Gemini as well. But let's talk about AMC, let's talk about the search volume, and let's talk about, what might be driving it, okay? Because that's perhaps the most interesting part. Now, we're not going to go into a ton of details about AMC and what could be driving the search volume, because I've seen some other YouTube accounts and they've had their videos flagged and demonetized, and the whole conspiracy theory goes on there. But there's a lot of action going on with warehouses outside of Chicago. There's a lot of new rule changes that are out there, and there's a lot of speculation that could be driving the price of Shiba Inu coin and not necessarily the price. Let's not go there yet. That could be driving more viewers to wonder what's going on with AMC stock. Now, I understand the fascination with everything surrounding this this fire that has been taking place over the last couple of days, and the fact that so many people are looking into it except the authorities is strange. Okay, is strange. That's as far as I'm going to go with that. But with recent rule changes, it's not hard to go down that rabbit hole and imagine what people would be willing to do to save or cover up billions of dollars or trillions of dollars worth of mistakes. So we'll just leave that at that. But talking about that, what has it done? If you go out to trends.google.com, you can see the search volume for AMC. And you can see that over the last week, people are searching more for AMC now than they were then. Price action is not what would be causing that. The price action on AMC is not drastically changing from where it was just a week ago, but there's a lot of stuff going on surrounding AMC and surrounding the market that might be driving people back in to, I guess, garner their attention and keep them hooked. Fire, one of them. Rule changes with new transparency levels for hedge funds and short sale reporting. This could be big, and I know there are other channels out there that are basically like saying that this is game over, it is locked, and we are ready to go now. And hey, it could be, right? If we do see these rule changes come into play, and there are no loopholes, there are no ways around it, and if, okay, this is the other part you got to keep in mind, if some of the synthetics out there that a lot of people talk about are out there, and they can't be hidden or burnt, then there would be some news that would come to light. And if that's the case, people might be flocking back to AMC right now to check and see on that, because that is a big deal if that's what happens. Now, I will tell you, hedge funds hire the brightest minds to sometimes skirt the corners, right? And that's their job, guys, is to make sure that they continue to make money year after year, day after day, hour after hour. Their job is to make as much money as possible. Their job is not to, lose as much money as possible. Melvin, I guess Melvin might not know his job description, but that's a different story there as well. So there's a lot going on surrounding AMC that is not evidenced in the price just yet. Now that we have an influx of eyes coming to check out AMC, and it hasn't broken out yet, you can see this trend line on search volume is still relatively low to where it's been before, but it is on an uptick, and it is, if you can have resistance on search volume, it is reaching recent peaks. Now, knowing that and knowing the price is still down, it would be amazing if we broke out in either price and or search volume and the next one followed. Because as more and more people start to put their eyes onto AMC and what's going on with AMC, you could absolutely have that increase in price just like we did back in May and June of 2021. Now, guys, we got a lot of exciting things coming up with AMC. The fact that all of these, events are happening around the stock at these weird times. I'm not a conspiracy theorist myself. I'm not going to sit here and dive down these rabbit holes and get lost with everybody. But there's coincidence and there's some pretty strange timing. So that's as far as I'm going to go with that one. But guys, if we do, see this thing play out the way some other channels are claiming that this might be the end and so on, all I have to say is if that is the case, be ready. Now, in the same breath, I'm going to tell you, if that's not the case, be ready. Do not be discouraged if hedge funds don't have a change of heart and decide to close out their short shares. Do not be discouraged if they don't find some new way to keep their shorts alive. Do not be discouraged. Why? Because the shorts they have out, whether you guys think they're synthetic or real, whatever they are, they will be covered. They are obligated to be covered. And when that happens is when the squeeze happens. Not because we put our trust in somebody else, but because we put our trust in the fact that, apes are here to stay. And when the short shares do, because they are required, go to cover, the price will run up because supply is restricted and they have to buy these shares back. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below, because all of this timing's a little weird. Have some fun with it down there. Let me know what you guys think is going on with AMC and whether or not we're going to see a breakout on search volume and on price here pretty soon. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.